car cleaning brush removes dust effectively, protects surfaces, and keeps car interior and exterior clean. Why today's video is about top 5 best car cleaning brush kit detailing that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Spta Car Cleaning Brush. This car cleaning brush set is a practical and gentle solution for keeping both the interior and exterior of your vehicle spotless. The soft bristles are designed without any metal parts, ensuring they won't scratch or damage delicate surfaces like leather seats, dashboards, or trims. The variety of brush types and sizes makes it easy to handle different cleaning tasks. Whether you're cleaning air vents, seat gaps, dashboards, rims, or even engine parts, there is a suitable brush for each job. It also works well beyond cars, such as for keyboards, speakers, furniture, and motorcycles. The scratch-free materials provide safe cleaning for both wet and dry use, effectively removing dust, crumbs, and dirt from tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Its flexibility and softness make detailing much easier and more efficient. Overall, this set is a versatile, safe, and user-friendly cleaning tool that helps maintain a neat and well-kept vehicle with minimal effort. Now our second product is Detail Dude's Car Cleaning Brush. This car detailing brush kit is a well-designed set for both interior and exterior cleaning. The different bristle densities are a strong advantage. Dense brushes handle tough exterior areas like wheels and engines, medium ones work well for cup holders and general interior cleaning, while softer brushes are perfect for delicate surfaces such as leather, screens, and piano black trims. The brushes are versatile enough to cover all areas of a vehicle, including vents, seat rails, door jambs, and tight gaps, helping achieve a thorough, showroom-like finish. The 2-inch bristles are slim enough to reach narrow spaces like lug nuts and air vents with ease. A key benefit is the scratch-free design, which ensures safe cleaning on sensitive surfaces without causing damage. The metal-free handles also add extra protection by preventing accidental scratches. Overall, this is a durable, safe, and highly effective detailing brush set suitable for complete car care. Our third product is Proper Detailing Co. Car Cleaning Brush. This car detailing brush set offers professional-level cleaning performance with a strong focus on quality and durability. The soft boar's hair bristles are gentle on surfaces yet effective at removing dust and dirt, making them ideal for both interior and exterior detailing. The shed-free design and water-resistant handles add to its long-lasting reliability. The set includes 3 specialized brushes with different bristle densities, allowing you to clean a wide range of areas, from delicate leather seats and air vents to tougher exterior spots like wheels, paint, and emblems. It performs well as a complete solution for everyday car care or professional detailing needs. The ergonomic design makes it easy to reach tight and hard-to-access spaces, ensuring a thorough clean throughout the vehicle interior. Comfortable handles also improve control during use. Overall, this is a well-built, versatile, and dependable detailing brush kit suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals. Now number 4, Suds.lab Car Cleaning Brush. This wheel cleaner brush is a practical and well-designed tool for keeping wheels and other vehicle surfaces clean without causing damage. The soft microfiber bristles effectively lift brake dust, dirt, and grime while ensuring a scratch-free finish, making it safe for all wheel types and paint surfaces. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, allowing better control during deep cleaning. It also helps reduce hand fatigue, which is especially useful when working on heavily soiled wheels or detailed areas. Its versatility is a strong advantage, as it can be used not only on wheels and rims but also on exhaust pipes, door panels, engine bays, and mirrors. This makes it a useful all-in-one detailing tool for various vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles. Additionally, the brush is machine washable and reusable, ensuring long-term value. Overall, it's a durable, safe, and efficient cleaning tool for regular car maintenance. And our last choice is Birbenben Car Cleaning Brush. This 6-piece car detailing kit is a versatile and practical solution for both interior and exterior cleaning needs. It includes a variety of tools designed to handle different surfaces and cleaning tasks, making it suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and even household use like kitchens or bathrooms. The 3 boar hair detail brushes are strong enough to remove dirt from tight gaps while still being gentle on delicate surfaces, helping prevent scratches. The ultrasoft brush is ideal for sensitive areas like piano black trims and screens, offering safe and careful cleaning. The included coral sponge is highly absorbent and produces rich foam, making washing more efficient and effective. The mini dusting brush is perfect for quickly cleaning air vents and dashboards, and its compact size allows easy storage in a glove box. Overall, this is a complete, multi-purpose, and well-designed cleaning kit for everyday detailing tasks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.